Hi everybody, welcome to English Dizzy Lessons, Class 7, Unit 1, Reading A, The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse, Part 1. And this is N. Sanjavaredi, School Assistant English, JDPHS Ambaripet, Katalapur Mandal, Jagitial District. And this lesson may be useful to you to communicate with our friends and relatives, to write letter to our friends and relatives, to use different words to compare things and persons, and to take permission and give permission oral. And it is useful to write a diary entry describing our feelings and experiences. Here, observe the picture, two pictures, and speak something about the picture. And we can see small houses, and also we see farmers, they are going to farm. We also can see the cattle. Cattle means buffalo, ox, everything, goats, sheep, like that. Also, there are some bullock carts in the picture. Green fields, very green fields there are. There are trees also in the fields. We can see many people and we can see some children, maybe they are going to school. And we can observe the hills also. And here in the right side picture, we can see big buildings, buses, cars, lorries, trucks, and other vehicles. We also can see the street lights. And if you observe, the roads are very wide. Here again, go to the picture and let us try to discuss some questions. What do you see here? Just to try to speak yourself, pause the video and try to speak. What are the differences do you observe between two pictures? Let us continue the next question. Which place do you think is peaceful? Out of these two places, which place do you think is peaceful? And where do you like to live and why? Which place do you like to live in and say why, the reasons also. Do the animals feel the same like you? Let's try to think. Let us know about two mice, plural form of mouse. One mouse lived in a countryside. Countryside means village, and another mouse lived in a city. They were cousins. Both these were cousins. They often wrote letters to each other. They regularly write letters to each other. Like that, they exchange letters very frequently. Here is a letter received by the country mouse. Here, go through this letter, and here are some questions. Who wrote the letter? Try to observe that letter. Even you can go through your textbook also. Who need a holiday? And which mouse was living in the countryside? Who was ill? The doctor suggested the town mouse to spend a week in. You have to fill in the blank. Which place? You have to write that. And you pause the video and try to write answers to these questions. Let us continue. Now compare your answers with the answers given. Don't worry if you made any mistakes. You need not to worry. Every mistake will be the stepping stone for your learning. Who wrote the letter? The question. The town mouse wrote the letter. Next question. Who needs a holiday? The town mouse needs a holiday. Which mouse was living in the countryside? The country mouse was living in the countryside. Who was ill? The town mouse was ill. The doctor suggested the town mouse to spend a week in the countryside or village. The country mouse received the letter. He invited the town mouse to his place. The town mouse received the invitation. He packed his clothes in a bag. The town mouse caught the next train to the countryside. In this way, the town mouse decided to stay a few days in the countryside to take rest. The town mouse felt hot in the train. He said to himself, I wish there was an air conditioned coach. I feel very uncomfortable here. The town mouse was not comfortable in the train. The country mouse was waiting at the station. It was waiting to receive his cousin who comes in the train. The train arrived at the station. Where was the country mouse waiting for his cousin? Try to answer this question. Later we will discuss the answers also. Where was the country mouse waiting for his cousin? And the town mouse got off the train. He saw its cousin, the country mouse, and said, then the town mouse replied, the train was dreadful. There was no AC in it. It was very hot inside. It felt very uncomfortable in the train. Then the country mouse said, oh, I'm sorry. You are looking so tired. Was there AC in the train? Try to answer this question. The town mouse said again, yes, you are right. I am tired. I feel terribly thirsty. The town mouse was thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Then the country mouse replied, well, I have some water, but I can look around for some coconut water if you like. Then the town mouse said, coconut water? Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? Then that country mouse replied, I'm very sorry, my dear cousin. We drink coconut water here. What did the town mouse want to drink? Try to answer this question. Now compare your answers with the answers given here. Don't worry if you do any mistakes. It's okay. Just you are learning. Try to improve your answers day by day. Where was the country mouse waiting for his cousin? Here the answer is the country mouse was waiting in the railway station. Here the answer is railway station. Maybe if you do some mistakes, you did not worry. Just try to improve next time. Was there AC in the train? This is yes or no question. No, there was no AC in the train. What did the town mouse want to drink? You have to say what. What are the things? The town mouse wanted some orange juice or lemonade to drink. The town mouse didn't like to drink coconut water. He wanted some orange juice or lemonade. But the country mouse was helpless. He couldn't get the juice or lemonade as it was the countryside. There was no juice available. Let's go through the summary of the lesson. What we have learnt in this lesson. Let us go through them. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote letters to each other. The town mouse had been ill with cough, so his doctor advised him to spend a week in the countryside. So the town mouse wrote a letter to the country mouse. The country mouse invited the town mouse to spend a week in the village. The town mouse went to the countryside by a train. In the train, the town mouse felt uncomfortable. When it got off the train, it asked the country mouse for a cool drink. But the country mouse couldn't arrange any juice or lemonade. The country mouse told that it could arrange some coconut water.